In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tabs in Microsoft Word. Tabs are useful when you want to position text at specific locations in your document, instead of using multiple spaces. They can help you create cleaner layouts for lists, forms, tables of contents, and other types of documents. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to use tabs. Before setting a tab, make sure the ruler is visible. Go to the View tab and turn on the ruler option if it is not already displayed. You'll see the horizontal ruler across the top of the document. On the left side of the ruler, you'll also find the tab selector. This small button allows you to choose the type of tab you want to use. Click the tab selector to cycle through the available tab types. The most common option is the left tab, which places the beginning of your text at the tab position. Once you've selected the left tab, click on the ruler where you want to position it. A tab marker will appear at that location. Now place your cursor in the paragraph and press the tab key. Your cursor will move directly to the tab position instead of moving across the page using multiple spaces. You can create additional tab stops by selecting the tab type and clicking different locations on the ruler. Microsoft Word also provides other tab alignment options. A center tab positions text around the tab stop, while a right tab aligns the end of the text at the selected position. There's also a decimal tab, which is particularly useful when working with numbers. It aligns numbers based on their decimal points, making columns of numerical information easier to read. If you want to change the position of a tab, simply click and drag the tab marker along the ruler. You can move it left or right until the text is positioned exactly where you want it. To remove a tab stop, click the tab marker on the ruler and drag it away from the ruler. The tab stop will be removed. You can also open the Tabs dialog box for more precise control. Click the small dialog box launcher in the Paragraph section, then select Tabs. From there, you can enter an exact tab stop position, choose an alignment, and apply the setting. When using tabs, avoid creating layouts with repeated spaces. Tabs provide more consistent positioning and make your document easier to edit later. And that's how you can use tabs in Microsoft Word to position and align text more accurately and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,